Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of combination wise shipping module. In this video, I'll explain you the features of the module and I'll also show you that how you can associate different carriers or shipping methods with different combinations of the product. So let's just head to the PrestaShop back office directly. Here, as you can see that I have already installed the module. Just for your information, this module doesn't contain any extra set of configuration settings. So let's just head to the product page to see what extra settings we get on that product page. This is the back office of the product page, that is Hummingbird Notebook. As you can see that this product contains various combinations, and I already mentioned that you can associate various shipping carriers or different shipping carriers with different combinations of the product. So let's just see how this functionality works. Earlier, as you know, that we used to associate shipping methods from this shipping section. Whatever shipping methods we choose from here, that will be available for the customers on the front end. Now, as you can see that I have selected all the 4 carriers from this shipping section for this product. That is, it will be applicable on all the combinations of the product. Now, let's just see what extra does this combination wise shipping settings work, or how this functionality works. Let's say that I am editing this particular combinations, that is paper type ruled. Here I am selecting this Go Express and Swift Delivery as shipping carriers for this particular combinations. For your information, if you select any particular carrier for the particular combination, then this particular settings, that is from the combinations of the product, will override the previous setting that you have selected from the shipping sections. That is, I'll just explain you how it will work. That as you already have seen that we have selected all the shipping carriers which were available for all the combinations of this product. Now we are selecting only these 2 carriers for this particular combinations. Then only these 2 carriers will be available for the customers on the front end if he or she chooses to buy this particular combinations. Let's just save the settings first. Then I will show you how this functionality works, exactly how this works. We have successfully saved the settings. Now, as you already know that we have selected for the ruled combination of this product 2 particular shipping methods. Now let's just proceed to order this product. As you can see on the shipping sections, now only 2 shipping methods are available to choose, irrespective of the settings which we have selected for all the combinations. That we have selected all the shipping for all the combinations of the product. Even then, this particular setting of the combinations, that is what we have selected here, that these 2 particular carriers will only be available if you order this particular combination that is ruled, then it will simply override the shipping section settings if you select any particular combination, particular carrier for any particular combinations. So this was the basic functionality of the module, and in this way you can simply select different carriers for different combinations of the product. Now let's just see one case for this particular module, that how shipping will be available to the customer in case if we select two different combinations, or you can say that as we have selected these two shipping for this combinations, and we will be selecting the other two for the other combinations. For this combination of the product, we will be selecting this particular two couriers, that is Easy Dispatch and Primary Mail Services. And in case if customer tries to order these two combinations on the front end, then how he will see the shipping, or she will see the shipping couriers on the checkout page. So let's just wait until this setting is saved. We'll just go to the product page and we'll add this particular combination to the cart. Now let's just see what happens. As you can see that only one shipping method is shown here. I'll tell you the exact reason behind it. In case if you select two different combinations for two different shipping for two different combinations of the product, then this PrestaShop chooses the shipping randomly, and it will calculate the shipping price on the basis of how these both products will be shipped. I'll explain you this in detail when I'll successfully order this product. Let's just order this product, then it will be much easier to understand this setting. As you can see, we have successfully placed the order. Now I'll explain you what happened. As you can see that these two orders are created here, and you can notice that these two particular orders have same order reference number. I'll explain you this in just few minutes. Let's just open these two order details page separately. What happened was, the two orders were created for two different combinations of the product. That is, we have ordered one ruled and one plain product or plain combination for the product Hummingbird notebook. What happened was, the PrestaShop assigned the two different carriers to both the products, and it calculated the money of these two carriers in the one shipping method only, which was shown to the customer. Now, as you can see that one particular combination, that is ruled, will be dispatched through Go Express, and other, that is the plain one, will be dispatched through Primary Mail Services. And as you remember, or if you can remember, then you know that the total shipping charge was calculated around $12. You can just go back in the video and confirm that its total shipping was charged around $12, and only one shipping was shown to the customer at the checkout time. Now what happened was, whatever the shipping charge of these two carriers was, it was calculated and it was shown in one shipping carrier only. that is this $2 and other one that is $10. So this was the case of the combination wise shipping module, and in this way it will be functioning. So this was all about the combination wise shipping module, and I hope this video will help you in configuring the module in the best possible way. Thank you.